What's up guys, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting. We're gonna show you what's in the shop today. We're gonna start outside with this McLaren 570S. So we're gonna be doing a full wrap on this with XPEL paint protection film. We're gonna be doing clear plex on the windshield, and we're gonna strip some tint off of this. So whoever tinted this originally, if you're out there tinting McLarens and you do this, just stop doing it, because there's a big gap at the bottom of this door. There's dirt all over it. The top edge is awful. The customer just bought this. We don't know who tinted it, but we're gonna redo it and we're gonna make sure it's up to our standards. Let's go inside. We'll start over here with a C8 Corvette. Go figure, we have one of those here. There's always a C8 here. This one is here for paint protection film and vinyl graphics. We had these stripes custom designed from our friend Sean. We installed those, I wanna say it was yesterday. Now this is the vinyl that looks like the carbon flash, so it's super metallic gloss black. We also did paint protection film on the whole front end and the rocker panels, and it's getting a ceramic XPEL fusion coating on this one. We've got Chris's Tesla here, and something happened on the side of the car that damaged some of the car, so it had to go to the body shop. So it's back for us to rewrap the quarter panel and the two doors, and we had to retint one of these windows and do some vinyl wrap on the chrome there. This van is getting a detail, and it has mulch spores all over it, which if you've ever tried to clean those off of a car, you know it's next to impossible. But this is what we're dealing with all over this thing. And those are actually little like pieces of mold, and they don't come off with a clay bar, they don't come off with a wash. Very few chemicals take them off. You have to use diluted bleach, and it just takes, how long have you been working on this?
All day.
Yeah. Blake's been working on this the entire day, and we have like a fender and a hood done. It takes forever, but that's the only way to get rid of them. Got a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This one got ceramic coated. I believe it's ready to go home. It looks like it's ready to go home. It's super glossy. Sure is. Ready to go home. Straight from the man himself, Patrick, our lead ceramic coater.
Nothing but the best.
He's working on a detail right now with Marshall, because we're way behind.
We need detailers.
If you are a skilled detailer, or if you are passionate about cars and want to learn to detail, we can train you. If you work for my competitors and you don't like it there because we're better, call us, send me an email. We need you, please. In the tint bay, we've been tinting all kinds of cars today. This one is the City of LATROBE fire truck. If you haven't seen our video, you haven't seen it yet because it's not live, but it's coming soon. We did a vinyl installation on this and we did a little video of it. Remember, we have an emergency vehicle services department where we upfit emergency cars. We do everything from the graphics to the lighting, you name it. It comes in as a Ford Explorer, it leaves as a cop car or a fire truck or whatever. So give us a call for that if your department needs it. This is Terrell. You guys know that car. That's the horsepower obsessed C8. That can only mean one thing. Justin is lurking here somewhere. And he helped us out actually today. We have so many emails that we literally can't keep up with them. And we have to find friends to help us respond to emails. And we have multiple salespeople just typing away and answering phones. We're crazy busy, guys. We've got a Cadillac Escalade. This one's from the dealership. We did paint protection film on the whole front end of it. It's here for a ceramic coating as well. It's next in line. Tinted the windows also. Toyota Camry. You guys remember this one, the rose gold Camry. This is a KPMF color. Awesome color. I don't know if the camera will do it justice, but it is awesome. It got a door ding in the door. So we're having our paintless dent removal guy pull that dent out, and then we're gonna rewrap that door where the vinyl got damaged. Another police interceptor finished and ready to go home. This one came in as a Ford Explorer police interceptor version. We installed a push bar on the front with Phoenix lighting all around, Phoenix light bar on the top, a full prisoner containment system, or what we just call a cage, in the back. This thing is ready to go to a department right now, sitting on their lot. You don't have to wait 6 or 8 weeks after you get your car for it to be upfitted. Call Megan Ford, and they will sell you that thing upfitted, ready to go right now. This is Blake's Jeep. Tell him he needs to stealth wrap it, because it'll look cool. And we've got a Chevy Silverado full front end protection package on this with XPEL. That's it. We're waiting on some badges to come back from the dealership so we can rebadge those fenders. We also did the rocker panels on that truck. This F-250 Tremor was in for tint. And this Ram 2500 is my new truck. Just picked that up about an hour ago from our friends down at Laurel Valley Motors. Thanks, Joey, for the hookup on that. We're gonna do a full wrap on this with XPEL 10 mil paint protection film. We're gonna ceramic coat it. We're gonna tint the windows today. Then we're gonna be doing a road trip in it down to Miami for a very special reason. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do that, you're gonna wanna see that road trip to Miami to see what we're doing down there. This Toyota Tundra, it's locked up. I think the customer already was here to pay for it and they're picking up later or something, but that one got cat skin leather interior installed. A lot of people don't know that we do that. We can remove your cloth seats and install real leather, factory style. We can do all sorts of custom stuff. If you'd like that, give us a call. And this is a Barrett 50 cal rifle. And if you don't know why this is sitting on our desk, you should. Check out blackoutbash.org. We're in the final month before our gun bash happens on April 10th. It's gonna be a virtual event. We're giving away $100,000 in guns. Every single dollar benefits the LATROBE 4th of July celebration. If you're from LATROBE, this fireworks show this year is gonna be absolutely awesome. Check out blackoutbash.org. And that is all for what's going on in the shop this week. Tons of stuff. We are busy out of our minds. Thank you guys very much for keeping us this busy. If you haven't subscribed on YouTube, please do that, and we will see you next week.
Hey, John.
How's it going?
It's going, man. It's great times.
Still
out
on
here.
this panel?
Still here, yeah, man. Yeah, they're not going anywhere except a couple hours of work.